guys, today we'll be making a very cute Christmas flower vase that we can put in our front porch. So first we need 2 plastic bins and also a bowl that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna paint the bowl because I want it green. I painted it outside and let it dry for about 30 minutes. Next, we're gonna use floral foam that I also got from Dollar Tree. I'll use 4 of them, but it depends on you on how much you want. I just wanna make sure that my flowers are secured, and I'm gonna stick them in using hot glue. I got these flowers also from Dollar Tree, so I think 6 pieces is only $1, so that's really a good deal. And I'm just gonna arrange them the way I want, so it's totally up to you what colors you want, what combination, and how you're gonna arrange it. So this is just a sample, but again, this is not a right or wrong step. You can even add some additional ornaments such as cherries or pine cones. I'm spreading them apart to make them look more bushy. And I also added some golden cherries for an accent. Now I'm making the base by attaching 2 plastic bins together using hot glue. I covered the bin handle holes with a ribbon that I also got from Dollar Tree. I ran out of ribbon, so I wasn't able to cover the bottom, but that's okay. I'm just gonna get it later from Dollar Tree and finish it. Now I'm gonna put the green bowl with flowers on top and attach them using hot glue. And finally, I'm adding this cute yardstick that I also got from Dollar Tree. And this is our finished project. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and put in the comments what you think about it. Have a great day!